Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this happy day, let us praise the presence of Allah who has given His grace and guidance to us. My name is Arleta. On this happy day, allow me as a student of SMK Telekomedika Bogor to deliver about why is it important to protect our cultural heritage. Indonesia is a nation that is rich in culture, hundreds or maybe thousands, both in the form of objects and non-objects. Puppet, batik, keris, dance, traditional musical instrument, historic buildings, folk songs, and so on are invaluable cultural heritage. Cultural heritage is a reflection that our ancestors of the Indonesian people have extraordinary intelligence in creating cultural works and their philosophical symbols. I'm sure that this is all to be credited to his children and grandchildren, all of us in this millennial era. Nowadays, where technological progress has been so rapid, we should not neglect these historical relics, because the contents of the noble values of the Indonesian people are stored in each of these works. There are a few of my small notes for millennial generation of the culture of the Indonesian people, in the midst of the proliferance of pure information technology that spread a variety of lifestyle and foreign cultures. Among others are: first, millennial generation must be able to mention the original Indonesian traditional culture, because this is the identity and noble value of the ancestor of the Indonesian people. Second, technological advance can instead be utilized to creatively package the indigenous cultures of the Indonesian people to be introduced internationally. Third, loving Indonesian native culture is not an ancient and outdated thing. It would be positive if it could show creativity and introduce to the world. The large number of foreigners learning about Indonesian culture has proven that Indonesian culture has high values and deserve to be learned and even must be preserved. Loving and preserving the original culture of the Indonesian people should not prevent us from learning knowledge in any country. In France, for example, Indonesian student can introduce Indonesian culture in this famous fashion country. His life pattern does not need to change, still holds Indonesian cultural values, and does not need to be frenetic about following foreign cultures. The diverse Indonesian culture is one of the strengths which is at the same time characteristic of the Indonesian nation, one form of culture that we can see a cultural relic from the past in the physical form. These cultural relics from the past can be a bridge for us to know the life of the moment and also the noble values adopted by our ancestors. By knowing the past, we can welcome a better future. Even with a cultural heritage from the past, we can learn many things. We can take an example from one of the world cultural heritage in Indonesia, namely Borobudur Temple. Borobudur Temple is a Buddhist monumental masterpiece and art. From Borobudur, we can find out the Buddhist conception of the temple and its reliefs and know the past life from relief depiction. In addition, Borobudur Temple can teach us about tolerance and also local wisdom. Cultural diversity actually benefits us all. With the cultural diversity that we have, many tourists will visit Indonesia. However, it should be remembered that among our own indigenous culture, sometimes recognized by other countries that consider that cultures belong to them. If that the case, then we have as Indonesian citizens have firm action that the cultures belong to our country by patenting the culture so that there are no events that we don't want. We know together that how much art and culture we have. So wide, our country is filled with diverse tribes and almost in each tribe has a diverse culture. Preserving cultural heritage can be with small things like avoiding restrictions around cultural heritage, not damaging objects, and protecting the surrounding environment by not littering. We can also preserve it by finding out the flowers contained the rain and disseminating that knowledge. If we don't protect the cultural heritage, who will? It's been a pleasure being with all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.